Learn Bulgarian. Where is equals.
Къде е?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey traveler. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your power phrase is
Къде е?
It means, where is. When your GPS panics and mutters, even I must ask.
Къде е?
You know it's time to use your voice. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for places smoothly and get answers fast. You'll master.
Къде е?
For the station, your phone, the bathroom, the hotel, the museum, and the bus stop. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and follow me. Clap, clap, clap. Say.
Къде е?
Keep it short and curious. Rhyme it. When you don't know the way, just say.
Къде е?
Today? One more time, confidently.
Къде е?
Mini dialogue in Sofia. Picture yourself at a metro map. Try this quick exchange. You, excuse me.
Къде е гарата?
Local. It's 2 stops this way. For the center, people often ask.
Къде е Сердика?
You, thanks. Also,
Къде е банята?
Local. Surprise, it's right behind you. Drills. Find it fast. Quick call and response, beat the pause. Where is the station?
Къде е гарата?
Where is my phone?
Къде е телефонът ми?
Where is the bathroom?
Къде е банята?
Where is the hotel?
Къде е хотелът?
Where is the museum?
Къде е музеят?
Where is the bus stop?
Къде е спирката?
Culture tip. Metro magic. A tiny culture detour to sound natural. On the Sofia Metro, you'll hear tourists asking.
Къде е Сердика?
Add the universal gesture, shrug your shoulders, palms up, eyebrows raised, while saying.
Къде е?
And locals will instantly get it. Quick quiz. Let's test you, no pressure, just fun. 1. How do you ask, where is, in Bulgarian? Answer.
Къде е?
2. Translate. Where is the museum?
Къде е музеят?
3. Role play. You need the bus stop, say it.
Къде е спирката?
Memory boost. Lock it in with a mnemonic and a move. Mnemonic. K equals coordinates.
Къде?
Means, where, then add.
Е.
Gesture. Point in different directions as you say.
Къде е?
Senses hack. Smell cafe coffee as you ask.
Къде е туалетната?
Taste a mint for clarity, and feel your phone's glass while whispering the phrase. Speed challenge. Ready for a rapid fire round? In 5 seconds each, ask these. Where is the station? Where is the hotel? Where is the bathroom? Then chain them in Bulgarian.
Къде е гарата? Къде е хотелът? Къде е банята?
Bonus. Where is my phone?
Къде е телефонът ми?
Goodbye and next steps. Nice work today. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Къде е?
On your next walk, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Bulgarian lessons and resources. See you next time.